everyone! Welcome to the Abode of Health Benefits. In this video, we will discuss some of the surprising health benefits of blueberry juice that you may not have known till date. What is blueberry juice? Blueberry juice is made from the juice of blueberries, a small, sweet fruit that is native to North America. It is a popular beverage that is enjoyed by people of all ages. What makes this juice beneficial? It is packed with nutrients and has been shown to have numerous health benefits. Blueberries are also a good source of vitamin C, a vital nutrient that is important for immune function and skin health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the body from harmful free radicals and may also help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. One of the most well-known benefits of blueberries is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are substances that help to protect the body from free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Blueberries contain a type of antioxidant called flavonoids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting effects. Apart from their antioxidant properties, blueberries have also been shown to have a positive effect on heart health. Studies have found that consuming blueberries may help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. This is likely due to the high levels of flavonoids and other beneficial compounds found in blueberries. Blueberries have also been linked to improved brain function. Consuming blueberries may help to improve memory and cognitive function in older adults. This is thought to be due to the presence of compounds called polyphenols, which are believed to help protect the brain from age-related decline. Blueberry juice is also a good source of manganese, a mineral that is essential for proper bone development and metabolism. Manganese is also involved in the production of collagen, which is a protein that helps to keep skin firm and youthful. In addition to the above benefits, blueberry juice is also a good source of fiber. Fiber is an important nutrient that helps to keep the digestive system functioning properly and may help to reduce the risk of constipation and other digestive issues. One potential downside to consuming blueberry juice is that it can be high in sugar. However, this can be removed by choosing a juice that is made from 100% blueberries or by diluting the juice with water or another low-sugar beverage. Blueberry juice is a tasty and convenient way to incorporate the many health benefits of blueberries into your diet. Whether you consume simple blueberry juice or mix it with other juices or beverages, blueberry juice is a delicious and nutritious choice.